Plessy versus Ferguson, May 18, 1896. So Jim Crow laws enforced segregation. It made it illegal to segregate black people and white people. And we have the Louisiana Separate Car Act of 1890, which made it legal for there to be separate cars for black and white people. So here we have a white car, and here's Plessy. Plessy's 1/8 black. Under Louisiana state law, even a drop of black blood made you black. Plessy refused to move to the black car because he looked white, and in return, he was arrested and put in jail. He said that it violated his 14th Amendment, which made everybody equal under the law and reinforced equal protection.
In a Supreme Court case, Ferguson sided with the state, and his argument was that the verdict of the state case was constitutional. The Louisiana police powers separated blacks and whites because both races preferred it that way. The Supreme Court ruling was that the 14th Amendment applied equality politically and not socially, and that the Louisiana police powers is allowed to separate the two races socially.
In the end, the Supreme Court, with Chief Justice Melville Fuller, ruled in favor of Judge John Ferguson, as Plessy's argument was rejected because the Separate Car Act did not violate the 13th or the 14th Amendment. Therefore, Plessy lost with a 7-1 vote count. This ruling resulted in the separate but equal doctrine to be affirmed, which then state-by-state segregation became laws as the Jim Crow law, which was a system of laws that discriminated the colored help enforce segregation. The outcome of this case would continue to have an impact throughout the country, as color determined how you were treated, from having separated drinking fountains to separated cars to separated schools. This form of segregation would continue for the next 60 years after Plessy v. Ferguson until the case would eventually be overruled by another.